Arts and Sciences here yet again. I hope that you all enjoyed your Gummy Worm Day dirt cake or vanilla sand bucket. I'm going to be giving you the ingredients for our next bake. We're going to be celebrating National Sweet and Salty Day, so we will be making a strawberry and pretzel pie. It's going to be delicious. I'm a huge fan of the sweet and salty snacks. I can never decide if I want something sweet or something salty, so this is going to be perfect for my palate. These are the ingredients that you're going to need to make our strawberry pretzel pie. You're going to need to make the crust. You'll need 2 cups of crushed pretzel, 3/4 cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar. For the filling, you're going to need 2 cups of whipped topping, 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese, preferably softened, 1 cup of sugar, and for the topping, you're going to need 6 ounces of strawberry gelatin or jello. I'm going to get a 1 6-ounce. You can get 2 3-ounce packs if you'd like, whichever you can find. You'll need 2 cups of boiling water, and then you'll need 32 ounces of frozen strawberries to be thawed. So those are the ingredients that you'll need to bake along with me on our next bake, which will be July 21st for National Sweet and Salty Day. We'll see you then.